Hi everyone, this is me again with a new unboxing and a product review. Alright guys, this is the good stuff. But before we do that... Alright guys, so what I got right here are the Garmin RS100 pedals with the power meter. You know, I feel like measuring power was always something I was lacking, and I feel that's a really valid indicator of your biking performance. I'm sort of new to biking, so I never had a chance to, measure it. So I'm really curious how this is gonna work. Let's go ahead and open this. Soft. All right, here we are. Here are the pedals. So I specifically chose this one because currently I have the Shimano pedals that are basically the same. This is my original Shimano pedal that I have, and this is the Garmin. I can already tell that the structure looks a little bit different. So I think I'm gonna go with the cleats that came with it for my biking shoes, so that I can fit better with what we have here. Okay, let's grab some tools and unscrew the old Shimano pedals, and let's get this on. Let's see what else is inside the box. We basically just have the cleats and the pedals, and that's it. From what I read online, the battery and the pedal that's the one measuring the power lasts about 120 hours. So at one point I'm gonna have to unscrew one of these caps and basically replace the batteries. So the difference between the RS100 and RS200 is I chose the RS100, which I feel like, in my case, this is just what I need. I just want to know the power reading, nothing else. The RS200 really, measures way more stuff than this. But in my case, this is not something I'm looking for. I don't want to get too much into specifics. So let's grab some tools and let's replace my old pedals, and let's see what's up. The old ones are off. Now we put the new ones in. But before we do that, na zdrowie. All right, guys, I think we got it all up. Let's see how it works. Okay, I put my biking shoes on, and I have my, the old Shimano cleats I used to use it with my old pedals. Let's see if they even fit, or if I have to replace these with my. Oh, they actually fit. A little bit loose, but I guess not that bad. I think I'll just keep using these for now, and then I'll just replace these with when these wear off. But overall, I feel like yeah, they seem to fit pretty well. Let's connect it with the Garmin Edge. I'm assuming it'll be easy, but I haven't done any research before to see how that's been doable. Okay, let's see. Okay, I found it. This. It's doing a calibration. Okay, calibration successful. Okay, we got it on. So the entire process took, I don't know, not even a minute or so. If you want to get more into details and more in depth, then I mean probably just about a couple minutes. So I like how the entire Garmin environment is really really easy to set it up. Just a matter of setting it up how you like, to your personal preferences as something that you can do when you have some free time. But overall, I feel like the entire installation and setup process is super easy. So really good. Alright, now let's go for a ride and let's test it out. Alright, come on, come on. Yes! Hey yo, who is it?
I got your motherfucking package.
Oh, word? Now put it up your bitch.
So what am I supposed to do with it?
No, right, just kidding. Just leave it down the doorstep and get the hell out of here, man.